that the water heater is running effectively, let's check in on another area that might get overlooked, and that's your air conditioning unit. Now this is the air handler, and everybody knows that you need to periodically change out your air filters just to make sure they're running effectively, and also that you're not getting any of these airborne problems inside your house and breathing those in. So change out those air filters. But here's something else that you can do to keep the maintenance on your air conditioning unit to a minimum, and that is this. Now this line right here is the condensation drain line for your air unit. And what I've got is a cup of bleach. Now I'm just gonna pour this bleach down in this line, because over time, with all the water that gets passed through this line in the form of condensation, mold and mildew can actually start to build up. And there we go. See how easy that is? Now all I've got to do is put the cap back on and we are good to go.